welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine again, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. And if you're new here, welcome. Here we do plenty things. So if that interests you, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're updated with my latest videos. So today guys is September 21st, 2021, and I have some great news for you. I finally received my Google AdSense letter. So for those of you guys who don't know the importance of this letter for YouTube creators like me, this letter contains the PIN number that we need, so that we need to put this in our Google AdSense to receive future payments and to be monetized, for our monetization to be continued. So yeah, this is very important. I've been waiting for this for a week now. So let me just tell you my story, why I started YouTube. So I've started my YouTube channel last June 10, 2020. And that's the first time that I'm going to be receiving my David Austin roses as well. So I've ordered them online, and I said, why not start my YouTube channel by doing the unboxing? So yes, I've started my YouTube channel when I received my first David Austin roses, and since then I've been doing videos, not as often as now. And on November 9, 2020, I finally reached 100 subscribers. So I just want to thank you, those friends who become my 100 subscribers. Yeah, thank you for your support and for believing in me. And then it continues. I keep on doing videos, and then on July 14, 2021, I finally reached 1,000 subscribers. So to be monetized, we need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public hours. So I reached the 4,000 public hours last August 28, 2021. And thankfully, yes, from that time on, I applied for the YouTube monetization program, and I applied for the Google AdSense as well on the same day. And just within a few hours, my Google AdSense application was approved and I got reviewed. And then on August 29, 2021, I updated my tax info and my tax information. And then on August 30, 2021, finally, my application for the YouTube monetization program was approved and I got monetized. So yeah, I haven't informed you or updated you on all of this yet, guys, and I just want to thank all of you who believe in me and supported my channel, my garden community. Thank you so much for supporting me and for always watching my videos. And I love you guys. Thank you so much. And please continue on supporting my channel. And yeah, so September 14, 2021, last week, YouTube have sent me an email, or AdSense anyway, that they already sent my letter for the PIN to verify my address and to finally receive my future payments. So yeah, after 1 week, I finally received it, guys. So let me open it for you and for myself as well. So I have to remove these edges. And yeah, so it's been more than a year waiting, guys. And as you probably have known, I posted it in my community post that my dad passed away last September 8th. So I have not been posting for a while. The one that I posted the last when we went to Central London, that was We went there on September 3rd. So before my dad passed away. So anyway, yeah, so this is what's inside, guys. So this is my Google AdSense personal identification number. So yeah, finally guys, we've done it, and I'm so happy, and thank you so much for all of your support and for continuing on watching my videos. And I hope that you like the videos that I've been uploading, and I want to tell you guys that I really appreciate you. So that's it for today, guys. I'm just going to put in my PIN number, and thank you so much again, and I'll see you again soon on my next video. Happy gardening!